I made this tea for myself after one of the most exciting life developments came to be. It felt like the culmination and beginning of all of my work thus far. My work on myself in living, in being, in the way that I strive to be all of the time, all of the days, for all of this life. When I make tea, it's intuitive. I don't measure, but remember, I'm a trained professional and simply grab what feels right. What herbs fit the mood? How do I feel? How do they feel? And of course, how do they look? It's a snapshot of the creative process, which is where I most love to be, and that's exactly what the next chapters here are all about. Details to come, and meanwhile, the recipe. Nettle leaf, my pharmacon, my green everything, my past, and my still favorite friend. Rose petals, because look at them, and the heart. Kava to calm my giddy nerves while maintaining the buzzy bliss, and albizia buds, the tree of happiness, to put it over the top, out of the crown, and into the ether. Steep for a few minutes, strain, drink, and store refrigerated.